Hi guys, it's me and the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this garbanzo or chickpea salad. It is so simple. You're not even gonna believe how simple this is. And it is so good. Very good for you as well. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's go do this. We're gonna use 2 cans of 15 ounces or 439 grams of chickpeas or garbanzo beans today. I am going to drain these and rinse them, and then I'll come back. If you would like to soak your own garbanzo beans and boil them, that would be fine too. All right, I'm gonna put this into the microwave for 2 minutes, guys. I want them to be hot. If you don't have a microwave, go ahead and heat the garbanzos in their liquid and then drain them, okay? We want these to be hot so they absorb the lemon and the olive oil. I have half of a large lemon here. I'm gonna squeeze it. I want about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, okay? And I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of virgin olive oil. This is extra virgin, guys. I'm going to add salt and pepper. I'm gonna mix it and we're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes before we finish our salad. I'm gonna taste the salt. It needs a little more salt. All right, we'll let this be. While we are waiting for our garbanzo beans to marinate, we're going to shred 3 carrots. Make sure you're using the largest hole on your grating box, okay? We're going to coarsely chop about let's call it a cup of arugula. This is also known as rocket. I'm just going to coarsely chop it. I'm gonna add it to the carrots. We're also gonna chop up about a 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives. And we're gonna add that. Okay, this has been sitting for 30 minutes. I went ahead and mixed everything in my bowl. And now I'm just going to incorporate it. This is a super nice, very nutritious, wicked delicious little salad, and so easy, guys. I don't think it needs more salt, but just in case, there needs a little tiny bit. Obviously, that's up to you. All right. Very nice. We're gonna serve this now. This packs a bunch of good stuff in it. Lots of nutrition, tons of protein from the garbanzo beans, and the flavor is just really freaking fantastic. So let's taste our salad. This is a fantastic combination of flavors. That lemon contrasts beautifully with the sweet carrot, with the salty olive, and with the creamy chickpea. Of course, that peppery arugula in there. Oh my gosh, guys, this is really good. I really hope you guys make this. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.